I am Kiki, the little doctor.
I am Quacky, the little nurse.
Let's experience the profession of a doctor together.
Let's go!
Quack, 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 quack.
Doctor, I have crooked teeth and they look bad. Don't worry, I'll handle this. The teeth are dirty. Let's clean them up. The teeth are crooked. They need some braces. Install the brackets onto the right teeth. Put the connecting steel wire on the teeth. Straighten the steel wires so that the teeth will not be crooked anymore. Straighten the steel wires so that the teeth will not be crooked anymore. Treatment completed! After wearing the braces, your teeth will not be crooked anymore. Brush your teeth more carefully and make sure there's no food residue on the brace. All right, thank you, doctor. Quacky, what profession did we learn about in this lesson? Oh!
Doctor!
Where does a doctor work?
Should be... A doctor works in a hospital or a clinic.
What kinds of clothes does a doctor wear? Oh!
A doctor wears a white uniform.
What are the tasks of a doctor? Oh!
Treat patients and diagnose patients' illnesses.
All correct!
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's find out who works in the hospital. Dentist. Pediatrician. Ophthalmologist. Which one is a doctor's tool? Stethoscope. thermometer. Mask. Solve the puzzle and see who she is. Doctor! You finished the course! Great job!